Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Dr. Misbah Yusuf. Before starting the video, if you do not subscribe my channel, subscribe to my channel. So today the video is about how to brighten up your lips that are darkened due to the use of the lipsticks and unprotected use of chemicals. So first step is to gently exfoliate your lips by using the natural scrub made at home by using the sugar, honey and by adding a small amount of olive oil in it. Exfoliation removes the dead skin from your lips. Second and the most important remedy is to hydrate your lips. Hydration is a key to lighten up your lip. Use chapstick that contain the natural ingredients such as beeswax, almond oil, coconut oil, any natural ingredient that naturally hydrate your lips in the chapstick. For better result, use the almond oil or honey on your lips before going to bed. Now come to the home remedies that naturally lighten up your lips. First is lemon juice. Apply the lemon juice on your lips every night. The lemon juice contains the brightening and bleaching properties that lighten up your lips. Second is aloe vera gel. Simply apply the natural aloe vera gel on your lips to lighten up your lips. Third is cucumber. Simply place the cucumber slice on your lips. Third is turmeric paste. Make a turmeric paste with honey or coconut oil and apply on your lips for 10 minutes and then rinse off with water. These remedies work wonder for your lips. At least try it at home and give me feedback in the comment section. Keep your body hydrated because if your body is not hydrated, your lips are dry most of the time and dry lips lead to the dark lips. And your diet must be full of vegetables and proteins that are very useful for your healthy diet habits. Quit the bad habits such as smoking that darken up your lips and do not use the lipsticks on the sale that are locally. If you are applying on your lips, apply the Vaseline before and then apply the lipstick so the lipstick cannot get in touch with your lips. If your lips are darkened due to any medication you are taking due to the disease, then go for the laser therapy that removes the darkness from your lips. Sometimes darkenings of the lips are the manifestation of many diseases. So go to the doctor for a proper checkup. This is a video how to lighten up your lips at home. Hope you liked the video. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel and give me feedback in the comment section below. Allah Hafiz.